Hello, dear viewers. Hope you are doing fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. So, dear viewers, you are welcome from Knowledge at Online Schools. Dear viewers, we are coming with educational tutorials in this channel. Hope you will watch this video. I'm coming with a group of students from my coaching. They all will make a video, and I think it will be very helpful for all the students who want to learn something different. Thank you for watching our channel, and especially thanks for subscribe Knowledge at Online School. Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum. Once again, you are welcome from Knowledge at Online School.
Hello dear friends, welcome to Knowledge at Online School. I am Arfat Rahman. I am a student of class 9. I am coming with the educational tutorial video very soon. I hope you will enjoy the class. Stay with us.
হ্যালো গাইস, সবাই কেমন আছেন? আশা করি সকলে ভালো আছেন। আপনারা দেখছেন নলেজ এট অনলাইন স্কুল। কিছুদিনের ভিতরে আমি একটি টিউটোরিয়ালস ভিডিও আনবো, তাহলে আপনারা ভিডিওটি দেখতে থাকুন আর আমাদের সাথেই থাকুন। আসসালামু আলাইকুম।
Hello guys, how are you? Hoping you all to be fine. I am also fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. I am Sabir from the Knowledge at Online School. I will come by an educational tutorial video. So guys, stay with us.
Assalamu alaikum dear friends, hope all of you are health and hygiene by the grace of Almighty, and I am also fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. And I am MD Jihad Joy from Knowledge at Online School, and very soon I am coming with an educational tutorial. And I hope all of you will enjoy this video. Stay with us. Thanks for watching the video.
Hello viewers, welcome back to my channel Knowledge at Online School. We are going to make educational tutorials channel. I hope you will enjoy the class and stay connected with us in this channel.